What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to add a search box or a search field into the middle of your WordPress posts, pages or contents in a simple, fast, free and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not just internet in our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is locate the place that you would like to apply your search form or field. You can be into a middle of your page, a middle of your projects, a middle of your gallery posts, custom post types, or into middle of your posts. In my case, I would like to apply a search field into a middle of one of my blog posts. So I'm gonna move to my WordPress left sidebar of menus, post, select the post and click into the post in order to open the editor. And imagine that I would like to place the content just right here, okay? I'm gonna type enter to separate these two blocks, these two paragraph blocks. And I'm gonna click into this little plus button called add block. Right here, I'm gonna search for a block called search. Just like this. So here is our search block. You can click right here. And here we have our search field, but it's not only this. We can customize this search. We can, for example, change the layout, move the button section, the button styles, okay? And of course, if you review the right sidebar of menus, we can change the widget, in the case that you prefer. We can change the colors, text or background. We can change the size, large, medium or small. It's up to you, according to your needs, okay? And of course, we can call even CSS classes in order to customize the button into the advanced part, okay? Into additional CSS class. But after this change made, we can even change this search title to remove it or apply another label. Same right here, okay? It's optional placeholder and optional label. After this, we're gonna click into the update button in order to save our changes, okay? After this, we have our search box in the middle of our posts. Simple, easy, fast, and effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Boards WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our premium templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and make your website ready from the beginning, independently of the business style you are on. In addition, with our premium blocks, icons, assets, templates, plugins, and our full support. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!